Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now and see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that. Oh.
Kayom lek kemen Christmas kelajan, kumta borok-borok kelas dang ban bun kam ban shnaya kikik, kumta ke Vivanta Shillong ru mentagasngi ke pratrik unai wing ala cara posau, kelas dang ke Khleh ya kiso la Tyrkhong harengkat bagi Jingdih bebunjat ban shnakik. Kumala sakhi da kumasau po kilo kiso la Tyrkhong la bu renti lang, bat hadir nak Khleh lang ru da kakyat, hari jingi shimbenta da kinong tre ke diga hotel, bat kumjuk ru kinong wan kai ngobha jangan ni ke hotel. Hadir meladap ban Khleh ya kini gesok, Tyrkhong bagi kiat berbonjat, bakum juru ya ki wain labu no ya kini hakwe ke jaka ban pedam kumbashi bana shiteng, bahadir kata ke Shet kek pat ya kini gesok bela Tyrkhong. Tyrkhong berde hotel operator joko Vivanta hotel, habakran ulong bu ya kini gesok bela Tyrkhong meladap ban Khleh lang bagi Jingdih on sesai pat andalajan ke sengi Christmas ban Shet kek, bat andaladap ban Shet on sesam sengob hapat ya kini wan sakai hapok ke hotel bakum juru ciki parlok ki parjo.
Vivanta Meghalaya Shillong is having this cake mixing ceremony, and this cake mixing ceremony is like being done in almost all the hotels, and we are also very lucky and fortunate that we are able to do this and beforehand. And like you see in my back that the cake mixing process has already been done. It is combination of many dry fruits, raisin, berries, all this wine, your rum. A lot of mixing has been done, and this will go into a process of fermentation from now on for one or more than a month till 25th of December. Then this will gradually be made into a cake, and this will be distributed and eating as a Christmas cake. Ingredients are all the varieties of dry fruits you see. You can see over there the raisin is there. You can see the berries are there. You can see these nuts, almond. All the dry fruits item which is basically taken is being combined here as a component for the cake. And along with that, we have used all the varieties of wine, your rum, and whiskies. So that will add to the flavor of the making of the cake. So that is the combination for that. Done a process of almost 40 kilos dry fruits, cake mixing. So this will be made into a cake, and then yes, this will we will distribute to the internal guests, and this will also be a part of the selling point of view. We can sell this. So from this portion, we will be able to bring up around 30 to 35 cake, if you say in that number.